OPT7 Redline Parlux LED Tailgate Light Bar. Light up your Tacoma with style and safety. Tired of blending into the crowd? The OPT7 Redline Parlux Triple Row LED Tailgate Light Bar is here to transform your Tacoma into a head-turning masterpiece. With 840 powerful LEDs, sequential amber turn signals, and a sleek aluminum design, this light bar combines style and safety like never before. Whether you're cruising the highway or reversing in the dark, this weatherproof, IP67 rated light bar ensures you're seen from 30 feet away. Why settle for boring taillights when you can light up the road with OPT7? What makes the Redline Parlux stand out? It's all about functionality and flair. This light bar offers 5 functions: running lights, turn signals, brake lights, reverse lights, and hazard lights. The exclusive reverse light launch sequence adds an extra layer of safety, flashing 3 times before staying on. Compared to other light bars, OPT7 delivers superior brightness and durability, making it the ultimate upgrade for your Tacoma. Durability meets innovation in this powerhouse product. Made from premium aluminum, the Redline Parlux is built to withstand extreme weather conditions, from -20°F winters to rainy summers. The fully sealed, silicone-coated design ensures long-lasting performance, while the easy installation options, 4-pin or 7-pin plug-and-play, make it a hassle-free addition to your truck. It's not just durable, it's designed to keep you safe and stylish. Why invest in the Redline Parlux? Because your Tacoma deserves the best. This light bar saves you from costly upgrades with its affordable price and 2-year warranty. The bright, sequential turn signals enhance safety, while the sleek design adds a touch of sophistication. Whether you're a daily driver or an off-road enthusiast, this light bar is built to impress. Why settle for less when you can have the best? The OPT7 Redline Parlux isn't just a purchase, it's a promise to your Tacoma. With its powerful LEDs, durable design, and easy installation, it's the ultimate gift for any truck enthusiast. From the first flash to the last, this light bar ensures you're seen, safe, and stylish. Ready to light up your ride? The Redline Parlux is waiting. Your Tacoma's glow-up starts now.